Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a neon inspired look which was inspired by Trinidad and Tobago's Carnival, and I'll talk more about that in another video. Let's jump right into it. So I'm starting with ColourPop, and y'all have seen me use this palette already. I really love it. I'm starting with a transition shade called Act Natural. And like I always do, I start from the outer corners of the eyelid to the inner corners, and I do it in a sweeping motion to kind of soften up the shade to give it a more uniform look. And yes, I'm sure y'all are noticing I did cut my hair and added highlights to it. I just wanted a change, and short hair it's easier for me to maintain, and I enjoy every bit of it. Now I'm adding a eyeshadow primer, Ambrosia Cosmetics eyeshadow eye effects primer, and what this does for me is it makes the eyeshadow pop in a sense and make it more pigmented, as opposed to just leaving it on a bare lid. It helps give it a more vibrant look. Do the same for the other eye. Now I'm going to use a sort of like green neon eyeshadow in that same palette, which is Mary Jane. And what I usually use to apply the eyeshadow at the inner corners of the eye is sort of like a flat brush, and it's from Morphe. I'm doing the same for the other eye. Now I'm using Moon Creations, a loose neon pigment called Intense Blue. And although I did that for the outer corner of the eye, I'm also applying it to the green to make the transition more seamless. I've already applied my eyelashes, as you can see. Now I'm going in with a face primer, which is one of my favorite primers. If you want to achieve a dewy finish, you can use this primer. It's a Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I'm going in with my Maybelline Superstay in the shade Honey. And I'm blending away. I'm going in with my LA Girl Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. And also adding a lighter shade, which I did not state. I'm using medium beige, and I mix these two colors together, and I'm blending it with one of my favorite sponges by Juno & Co. Has a soft feel to it. And when I'm going under the eyes, I tend to go top lightly. Now I'm applying the setting powder. Help keep the product in place. And again, when I'm going under the eye, I tap very lightly. Now I'm applying my contour lines. The nose, the perimeters of the face. And blending with the brush. Applying more setting powder to the areas where I have applied the contour, and this helps give you a more precise finish and helps set the contour in place. Now to sweep away the setting powder, in a sense, I'm using black opal face powder. Setting spray, take away that powdered look. I'm going in with the lip liner by LA Girl, which I forgot to put. As you can see, that is missing in the title. And this is Anastasia Beverly Hills Mini Matte Lipstick. And it says a sort of nude, a light brown. Going in with my highlighter. like I always do, I think I go a little overboard with my highlighter. Don't lean towards something, it happens. I'm also adding the Ambrosia Cosmetics eyeshadow primer to my waterline, and to this I'm going to add another one of Moon Creations Loose Neon Pigments, and this is a pink shade. And I tell you, these colors are pop in. And that brings us to the end of another tutorial. Until we meet again, stay blessed.